Hi guys, this is an unboxing and review video of kurtis from Flipkart. I have recently purchased 2 kurtis from Flipkart. Let's see whether it's worth the price. This is a casual solid women's kurti by Cool Fabs. It cost me 449 rupees. Yeah. This is the one I have ordered. You can see the color exactly matches with the picture. And the style is also as shown. It has a Chinese collar. And it is a front slit kurti. It has 3/4 sleeves, foldable with a button. The size and fitting is also good. When coming to the fabric quality, it is not so great. The fabric is very thin. It can be much better. Other than that, everything is fine. Let's look into the other one. This is an embroidered women's striped kurta by Attire Forever. This kurti cost me 520 rupees. It also has Chinese collar with 3/4 sleeves. The color I have purchased is dark blue. You can see this in the picture. The look and style are as shown in the image. The color is also same. The embroidery is perfect and looks really elegant. I like this very much. When coming to the quality of the fabric, it is okay. So these are the 2 kurtis I have bought. In these 2 I like this embroidered one very much. So finally these 2 kurtis are fine. The size, fit, design, everything is good except the fabric quality. It can be much better. If you want to buy these kurtis, click the links in the description box. Thanks for watching guys. Please do like and subscribe.